How to send Google Forms responses to Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to link your Google Forms with Google Sheets. I'll show you how. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the forms that you have created. Then you will see responses tab beside questions. Just tap on it and then you can see link to sheets option. Just tap on it and then you can see there are two options to create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. It's better to create a new spreadsheet. Just put in the form name and then hit create. Now you can see that a sheet is opening up and the answers given by the members who have filled up the form will appear here. So that's it. It's really easy to see the answer submitted on the form. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.